To log out account on MyFitnessPal app, firstly, you have to open the app. When the app will appear here, you move to the profile. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this circle at right top corner. You can see here before the change password there is logout option. Click on logout and yes, then this way your app MyFitnessPal will be logged out on your account. But before this, you have to remember your password for logging into your app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.